Hey there tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we decode the complex world of technology into simple, bite-sized information. Today we are going to answer a question that's been frequently popping up in our comments section. What is a Terraform state file and how do I secure and manage it on AWS? So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's understand what a Terraform state file is. Terraform, as many of you know, is an open source tool that helps you codify your infrastructure. Now, Terraform keeps track of all the resources it has created or modified through something called a state file. This file maps your code to your infrastructure, which allows Terraform to know what changes to make when you update your code. But why is this so important? Well, without a state file, Terraform would have no way of knowing what it has previously done, which could lead to duplicate resources or potentially destructive interactions with your infrastructure. Now, you might be thinking, this state file sounds pretty important. How do I protect it? And you'd be right, securing your Terraform state file is crucial. If it falls into the wrong hands, someone could infer your entire infrastructure. Luckily, Terraform has inbuilt encryption for state files saved remotely, such as on AWS. However, there's more you can do. Firstly, limit who has access to your state file. Implementing a need-to-know policy can help ensure that only those who truly require access have it. Secondly, you should regularly back up your Terraform state file. This helps mitigate the risk of data loss. And finally, use version control mechanisms which provide the ability to revert back to a previous known state if something goes wrong. Alright, now let's talk about managing your Terraform state file on AWS. AWS provides a service known as S3, or Simple Storage Service, which is an excellent place to store your state file. AWS ensures its safety by encrypting it at rest and in transit. To further protect your state file, you can use a service like AWS KMS, or Key Management Service. This allows you to create and manage the cryptographic keys used to encrypt and decrypt your data. The combination of S3 and KMS provides robust security for your Terraform state file. And that's it, folks. We've now demystified the Terraform state file, and you know how to secure and manage it on AWS. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. And remember, hit that subscribe button for more tech knowledge in simple language. Until next time, keep exploring the tech world.